Hi, today we are going to see how to use conditional formatting on Google Sheet. First of all, go to your browser. In the search bar, type sheets.google.com. Here, a new interface will open. Click on the blank. Here, select the cell where you want to apply format rules. Here I am selecting A1, then click on format option and click on conditional formatting. You can see in the right side a conditional format rules will open. Here you can apply the range, then you can format the cell if it is empty or if it is not empty. Text content, text does not contain, text start with, text end with, text is exactly. Date is date before and date after. I am selecting is not empty. Then your formatting style, it would be default or red text or yellow text, or you can also custom format. I am selecting green text. After that, select if it will be bold or italic or underline or strike through or which text color it would be. You can also fill the color in it. I am filling yellow and this color. You can also add another rules from here. You can also select color scale from here and minimum point, mean value, number, percent, percentile would be select from here. You can also mean point color. Here is also midpoint, max point, and you can also add other rules. Then when you are done, click on done. Here you can see that the conditional format rules is here. So that's all about conditional formatting. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.